Promotion of UPE across the country, Mama, sent a clear and powerful message that every child matters and every child deserves a chance to learn. The massive enrollment of UPE that we witness today and the 63.8% of UPE candidates whose PLE results is being released today stand as a living testimony to the vision of our president. Mama, I also wish to note that to date, the literacy level in Uganda has significantly improved from 43% to 76%. Thank you. This increment is very critical for Uganda as a country as we look forward to transform our economy to modernity